Are you tired of using regular, cleaning products that leave your car dirty and unhygienic? Look no further than Hoping Wipes. Our antibacterial car wipes are the ultimate solution for a clean and safe ride. Made with high-quality materials and designed to kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria, our wipes are perfect for keeping your car clean and hygienic. At Hoping Wipes, we understand the importance of quality and safety. That's why we strictly control the quality of our products and have obtained certification from FSC, SGS, and WSF. Our products are sold in over 60 countries on 4 continents and have been providing high-quality products and services to the world's top 500 enterprises for a long time. Our antibacterial car wipes are perfect for cleaning all parts of your car, including the dashboard, steering wheel, and seats. They are also safe to use on all types of surfaces, including leather, vinyl, and plastic. And with our wholesale options, you can get the supplies you need at an affordable price. But what sets Hoping Wipes apart from other car cleaning products? For starters, our wipes are made with a special antibacterial formula that's designed to kill germs and bacteria on contact. We also use a special coating that prevents dirt and other particles from sticking to your car, so you can be confident that your car will stay clean for longer. In addition to our high-quality products, we also offer exceptional customer service. Our team is dedicated to helping your business succeed, and we'll work closely with you to ensure that you get the supplies you need when you need them. Whether you are a car dealership, a car wash, or a car rental company, Hoping Wipes is here to help. But don't just take our word for it. Check out our website at hopingwipes.com, http://hopingwipes.com, to see what our satisfied customers have to say. And if you have any questions or concerns, our team is always here to help. So why wait? Start enjoying the benefits of antibacterial car wipes today with Hoping Wipes. Thank you for your time. We hope this article has been helpful in your search for the perfect car cleaning solution. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our products and services, please visit our website at hopingwipes.com. We look forward to working with you.